Alrighty, boys, we are off to work. My little Jeep, I need to take that hood off. I don't like that damn thing. It's a Sunday, guys. Girl, if you don't get off my truck. But I can't because today I'm gonna be working. I worked yesterday, Saturday. I left at like 4. And I went straight to a birthday party with my work clothes. Thankfully, I went to my brother's house. My brother has some clothes I could wear.
That's the car you're most talking about.
Oh, there's a car parked in that bitch. Here.
Yeah, there's no license plate on it.
How's the camera look?
So, ¿no se te cae?
The magnetic. Alright, bro, I'm out of here. Alright, guys, we're out of here. So right now we're gonna go to the DSW, guys. We're doing a preventative maintenance. We are going to do the electrical first, check all electrical. Then we will check. I brought my speaker just so I can play music. This site has a lot of wasps. Last time we were here with my boy. So, yep, you can see one right here. This is how you put it in troubleshooting, guys. I'm gonna show you. So, you go the bottom one shift, wait for this little dot right here to go over here where this one was at. Then you do get a test. Cool 1, stage 1. C10 is cool stage 2. And then both stages right here, which is stage 2, but do that. There you go, the blower just kicked on as well. My CFM is going to turn on, let's see. This might be a temperature sensor fan, a limit fan. So I might have to get to a certain temperature for it to turn on. We'll see right now though. I don't see anything happening, so it might just be the... There she goes. Yep, you feel the heat coming out. Good. I want to see the blower right quick, so let me open my blower compartment. Oh, that belt, you see that belt? That belt's very... not in good condition, so yeah, thankfully we got that belt to swap out today. Then to turn it off, you just hold it again. I know this unit's good. Let's go to heating now, even though we're... Actually, we'll leave the heating alone because they said they want nothing to do with that. They want nothing to do with cooling, which makes sense because one, it's hot outside, but turn it off. Now we're gonna check the cap. I'm also gonna check the contactors because you can see the little bit burnt wiring. That's what I was looking at when I first got here. We're also going to check the motor amps when everything turns on, which I should have done before, but so let me grab my little multimeter. Let me grab my pliers in case it takes forever to take off, and my multi-bit screwdriver. I found the screwdriver here on this site. Disconnect. Turn her off, make sure the power's off. No power coming from my thing over here. Nothing, good. Check my contactors, nothing. Okay, so we can go ahead and check the contactors first. But yeah, normally I'd take off one of these screws and leave it off. I'm so nervous, dude. Like it's a good nervous because I don't want to be touching any of this. I'm very careful where I put my hands. I like extremely careful. Like right now, you see me, I'm like just shaking because like I don't want to touch none of this shit. And I've been doing this for a while now. I'm still scared. So let's look at this. As you can see, I'm not gonna lie, it's not in the best condition, but they're not terrible. Would I quote that? I probably would. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm probably gonna quote that. Just cause it's, you know, it depends on how many other ones are bad. If those are the only ones that are bad, probably gonna leave it, but, or just swap it out on truck stock. Let me take a photo of that actually. Hold on. So like I said, I only leave the the top one in. So next time I come here, I won't have to. It just makes my job more efficient. I can just do this, boom, boom, just one screw in and out. That's it. Oh, that one was good. This one has no issues, as you can see. Like, this one's good. So I probably might just leave these alone, really. I don't think I want to mess with them, really, so. All right. 10 microfarad cap, and I'm supposed to discharge them, but. There it goes, discharged. Let's grab my multimeter. MFD. Jesus. I need to get new clamps, guys. Look at this. I'll let someone borrow them. Look right here, too. It's burnt. Fucking retard. I'll never let someone borrow my shit again. 9.79 is a 10 plus or minus 5%, so it's good. She's Gucci. No problems with that. I want to make sure I grab my voltage once I turn it on. So let's click this on real quick. Make sure my locked rotor amps and my normal running amps, where are they at here? They're 11 amps. So yeah. Let's go ahead and turn this puppy on. I know people don't like this type of 6.6, she's rated at 11, so we're good. Amperages are good. And I'm gonna check my max right now for my locked rotors. Yeah, 6.84 as you can see, so yeah, we're good. We are good here on this unit. This compressor looks nice and healthy. Not gonna check the heat because DSW, my PM dispatcher, told me don't worry about heat because I love quoting up heat and I love quoting up like issues. And I'm used to it because more work for us in the winter, but I know we're getting busy, so I shouldn't do too much of that anymore. My little light here. Let's put this there. Yeah, guys, but I'm ordering a Vito bag next week. I'm ordering the Tech MC Blackout. And it's coming with a spring promotion, so it's going to give me a free little, I'm going to show you photos of it, but I forgot what the name of that one is. I forgot about my belt. I'll check the blower, motor, running amps as well now that I'm here. This one was swapped 2025 of this month. Wow. A43, I think I got some A43. No, I don't. Fuck me. Oh, look. Brand new, baby. Yo, okay, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the belt on here. Make sure the power's off, dude. Yeah, okay. Whoa, look at this, guys. Not very good shit. We're gonna have to. Oh man, dude, it broke off, and it's glued on. Look at this. My 9/16, please. That's half. That's half. 5/8. 9/16, I think is this one. Yep, 9/16 is this one. It's smaller. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I was about to say, what the but okay. Look at this bell, guys. It's not bad per se, but it's not good either. It's not good. I see these shafts in here. Not too bad. They don't got no real indentation or gap or anything like that. So a new belt that I totally brought on purpose. Do I got a belt, dude? I thought I had one. Let me check. Oh, I do. Oh, heck yeah, dude. Look, I got it. No, never mind. I'm good. I am good. I always have AX43s. I'm running out of truck stock, guys, so much because for some reason the supply houses are not having anything, dude. So I'm using a lot of my truck supply. So nice and smooth, it goes on. Then we pull back my motor here. Come back to me. There she goes. Make sure she's... This is how I measure it, guys. I know a lot of people do it, but I know some people say half an inch side to side like that, but our foremans have been training us on this stuff, and I feel like I got a pretty good sight on this, on how to do it. Some people tighten it way too tight, which I'm not gonna lie, scares me a little bit, because I remember when I was doing automotive, you tighten a belt, a tensioner, you just kind of like let it go, let the tensioner do its thing. But here, you don't want to ruin the pulley, because you see the pulley, the grease is coming out of the bottom. That is not good. Thankfully, this shaft is okay on the motor itself, so. But I'll show you what I'm doing, what I mean, how I tighten, or how I find my tightening. So first I'll tighten this down a little bit. I'll show you out here, hold on. Maybe just pull it until you can't no more. And you feel it, you see this? This is just perfect, dude. I'm not gonna lie, this is perfect. Perfect. And if it starts squeaking from there, that means you gotta redo your shaft, but for now, this is perfect. I'd rather pull it a little bit harder, but that's not too bad right there, so I'm gonna leave it. So, guys, it's just, I don't know how to explain it. I can't explain it on camera. You'll kind of have to feel what I'm feeling. It's not really an inch anymore. I know a lot of people say it's half an inch, but there's so many theories saying that there's no more like that. They're using special tools and shit. I'm like, dude, I don't want to buy a special tool just for a tiny fucking belt. But I think I should get it because it is gonna save the units a lot, especially the pulleys and everything. But like, this is perfect. Like, not too tight where it'll fuck up the bearings, and not too short, not too loose to where it'll eat up the belt end. So here, we'll test it right now. Make sure we tighten the top and the bottom. Let's see here. There she goes, I heard the click. Perfect, no squeak. See that? Beautiful. But for these Browning belts, all I do is this. Because they want to see proof that I changed it out. So I go like this, and I show them the date. So, and I understand there's a lot of people that will not change these. Okay. Let's close this panel up. So guys, this big boy, I gotta fucking tighten the belt. It's squeaking like crazy. But as you can see, the heat exchangers back there. I already crawled back there and checked to see if the heat exchanger was fine. But like I said, I didn't want to check heat, but last time I was here, I didn't check the exchangers. So I just wanted to double check everything was fine. And yeah, everything's good. But right now I'm trying to do this damn belt, but I'm not about to screw this. But I'm not about to do this over and over and over again to get this thing up. We gotta get this lifted up so we can change this belt, but I'm not gonna do that. I need to go back downstairs to go get my other filters and my rope so I can rope up the other filters I had, because I roped this one up with one hand. I'm not gonna do that again because I don't want to risk it. That ladder's too long, and yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna have to come back and bring my my 3/4 inch socket so I can do those one by one. Lift this up, change this belt out. There's a belt over there. But looking at the blowers, they look good. No issues. I didn't find anything weird or anything, so this is good for now. Right now I also got to change the filters, so sorry guys about the pause. This camera, I like this logo 3S, but dude, it dies too damn quick, bro. Let me slide this damn thing back in because I do not need it right now. Let me go get my other stuff for now. I don't want to get this thing in my way. They say you need 2 people for this shit. You don't, dude. So those are the relays, guys. So Lennox, the way they do their stuff here, the way they do their stuff, their condensing fan motors are connected to a temperature sensor to sense temperature. Like if it's too cold, they won't turn on. And they got to heat up. The discharge line got to warm up enough to it, or the liquid line needs to warm up enough to either one. I don't know which one it was, but it needs to warm up enough to turn that thing on. Hold on, my brother's calling me, guys. So yeah, guys, they're connected to sensors. Tells them to turn on when it's warm enough, when it's proper temperature. Only issue is, here, I'm gonna do them now, but this time I'm ready. Because I'm not doing any stupid shit like I just did last time. I'm having my glove on, which it will only protect somewhat, right? It's a rubber Milwaukee, so since it's Milwaukee, it'll give me an extra 5% protection. Then we go here. This little black wire is connected to the condensing fan motor outside. So look, it starts like this. That one at the very far left, that one's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what my ASM taught me. So what we do, oh, I'm not gonna do it again. I almost did it again. This wire right here on the other one it's live, so you pull it out, the black one, you go up. Ah! Fuck, I shocked myself again. Ah! I'm done with that shit. I'm done. I am done ski. No. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Guys, do it with the power off. Fuck that. I'm never doing it again with the power on. Where's my meter? Where's my best friend at? Oh my goodness gracious. Dude, you should feel that fucking pain. It hurts, dude. What the fuck? I don't know if I had the gosh darn I know these are not insulated, but they got some type of rubber on them. The gloves are a little bit rubber, and it still got me so fucking hard. Oh my god, dude. I need to go buy some insulated shit, dude. Fuck. So guys, we are done. We are done here. We've set up my ladder. It was hot today. It was like 92, I think it was. I know some of y'all are gonna be like, oh my god, that's it. I work in 104 degrees desert weather. It's been cool these past few days. But yeah, guys, let's go. We're gonna head home. I will see you on the next one. Hopefully tomorrow. I think we're gonna go do a duct job, some service work. So I'll let y'all know when that happens, or I'll see if I pick up the camera that day. So peace.